Hello, everybody. Welcome to Thursday, December 10th, 2020. It's a great day to be a junior Potter here. Mr. Parrott with you. A rundown of Thursday, December 10th. What we are doing today is the same exact thing that we've been working on. Bell ringer up front first. Then we get to our final day of research where we're going to boil down each one of those senses and take a look at taste, smell, sight, hearing, touch. And then you've done all 3 days of research at this point, so you will submit all of that when you are finished. It's due up tomorrow, so without further ado, let's take a look at our different senses and what you'll be doing. So here's your screen for your senses. If you don't remember how to do this, go back to day 2 video, go back to the day 1 video, because it's the same exact slideshow that we've been working on. It's on Schoology. It's in the folder for Tuesday through Thursday for this week. What we're going to do is that you just answer the questions on the slide by doing research on Google. And we'll do each one of them for taste, smell, sight, hearing, and touch. Going on with there. There are a little bit of different questions, but kind of all, some of them are framed around the same way. Like the first part is always going to be about what part of the brain allows you to do that sense. We've talked about them before because they all come from a different lobe, so you're going to have to come up with some kind of answer for our lobes. And then there's the second box kind of has a little bit more specific information dealing with that particular sense. The third box is more just explaining how does the sense of whatever it is work. And then the last box always has to deal with some problems with the brain that can affect that type of sense. So you're dealing with taste, smell, sight, hearing, touch with all of those. You're just researching them up. Remember, do not copy and paste stuff from the web. Otherwise, I'm just going to mark it wrong, incorrect. Make sure you're paraphrasing it, putting it into your own words when you give it to me. Don't just be copy and pasting stuff. That is bad. That is wrong. That is also what is for Thursday. So, without further ado, there it is up there, that home screen again. When you get it done, make sure that you go on Schoology and hit submit when you are finished. You have done all of the research days then. Make sure you double check before you submit it that you went back and you made sure that day 1 and day 2 stuff is. If you're following these videos, you should have them all done by now. Send it. If you have any questions, do not be afraid to email me. Hope you're doing well out there, staying safe. And I'll hopefully see you later.